Hello, good morning, year 8. How are we all doing? Okay, so today we're going to be looking at the area of composite shapes or compound shapes. It means it's made up of more than one shape. Okay, so as you can see, these shapes, they're not regular like you're used to, but they're made up of certain shapes joined together. It could be rectangles joined together, triangles with rectangles, squares, trapeziums even. Okay, so there's more than one way of figuring out any of these. If we look at the first example, you could split the shape up this way. So you've got a rectangle on the left, and then you've got a rectangle on the right. And then you do them both separately and add your answer together and get a final answer. So if you look at this rectangle here, it's 6 times 3. That's this rectangle. 6 times 3 is 18 meters squared. This rectangle then is 3 times 2, which is 6 meters squared. So 6 plus 18 is 24 meters squared for A. Okay. If you try it the other way, it should work out the same. So if you had have split it across this way, then this rectangle on top will be 6 times 2, which is 12, and 12 meters squared, sorry. And this rectangle on the bottom, 3 times 4, that would also be 12 meters squared. Add the two of them together, and it's 24 meters squared. Okay, so you work out each part separately and then combine them at the end. Add them together at the end to get a total area. Okay, this one will be a little bit more challenging because you'll have to split it up 3 ways. So you could split it up here and here would be the most obvious way. I will let you try that. We'll have a look at some with triangles. Okay, so this one. One thing you need to recognize as well, if they're in different units of measurement, meters and centimeters, you need to make them the same. So there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So this is going to be 7 meters. Okay, so you need to make them both the same units. Okay, for this one, it's got a rectangle here and a triangle off the side. Okay, so if you split it this way, then this rectangle in the middle would be 6 times 4, which is 24 meters squared. This is 400 centimeters, which is 4 meters. The total length was 6 meters. So then this bit must be 2 meters. This little bit must be 2 meters as well because 4 went to here. If 6 goes to here, then you must have 2 left over. So 2 times 2 is 4, divided by 2 is 2 meters squared. So you add 2 to 24 meters squared, that gives you 26 meters squared. Okay, so take your time on these and split them appropriately. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know.